Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Right. So today our call of the day is Aussie Kiwi. Right. So why I like Aussie Kiwi is because of this movement here. It's a super nice movement. Right. This movement, right, is where we see price break out of this, key overlap resistance where price has reacted multiple times in the past. Right. It bounced up really nicely. It reacted really nicely, right? And now that it has broken this level, it looks like a nice little double bottom kind of formation, and we should be seeing price make a nice little push up from here, right? So it also happens to coincide, right? It also happens to coincide with a nice Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to show you all of it. It broke the 61.8 retracement here, and if you extend it a little bit higher, it broke the 50% retracement, right? So it's not only a 50, it's a 61.8 retracement. All of you can see price breaking this level, breaking this level, breaking this level, breaking this overlap level. So we should be seeing price make a nice push up. Now the question is how far up, right? So this is where I do my little Fibonacci extension, and I can see a lot of the levels are lining up nicely here. 127, 78.6, and the 61.8 all lining up over here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as my take profit level, right? I'm going to put it over here, right? So this will be my take profit. I expect prices to make a push up to there, right? And my stop loss, I can just, if I'm expecting price to make a nice push up, right? I mean, ideally, it should not reintegrate back down here. So I'm going to put my stop loss really tight over here, down here, right? And of course, a few other things I want to take note is that what is really nice about this pattern, this chart pattern, is that price has actually broke out of this. You can see it's a bullish exit, right? Previously it was below, 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 right, below, and it finally broke out from here, right? So we have a little bit of bullish momentum there. We look at the Ichimoku cloud, it has finally crossed over the red cloud over here. So we're seeing a little bit of strength over here. So this should give us the momentum we need, right, to make prices kind of push up from here all the way to the take profit of 1.0694. Okay, so yeah, that's it for me. Right, it's another nice trading strategy using advanced technical analysis. Today, I'm showing you how to get my Fibonacci retracements, Fibonacci extensions, my trend lines, my overlap resistance and supports, right, and Ichimoku cloud for momentum. Right, combine it all together, you can find high probability trading setups, and that's it for me. Right, tune in again tomorrow for more high probability trading setups. Stay safe and trade safe, guys.